Parents, please provide small children are not event when the dog flies, and the information are in your square station.
Hello, folks. Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're now embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland, followed by a visit to the Grand Canyon and Tiny World. We got a lot of travel ahead of us, so remember, for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please, watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Did you folks hear that? Sounds to me like we've reached the wilds of Adventureland, where you just might run into a lot of savage critters out there, including lions and tigers and tiki birds. Everybody best be on the lookout. You never know just what may show up. We're approaching our first stop, New Orleans Square Station. This station serves Frontierland, New Orleans Square, and Critter Country.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is New Orleans Square Station, serving Adventureland, Frontierland, New Orleans, and Critter Country with Indiana Jones, the world's famous Chico Cruise, Splash Mountain, Thunder Mountain, Adventure the Winter Wheel, and much more. As you're front of the ride, the world's famous Chico Cruise is the last day that they're fully decorated in their holiday gear, so make sure you go ahead and check that out once you have the opportunity. Once again, friends, please remain fully so the train comes to a full and complete stop inside the station, and you see one or both of the conductors on the platform welcoming you. Before ladies and gentlemen, seated while the train is in motion, hands, arms, and any inside at all times. Parents, please provide small children to see that they are fully seated on the train or adult stop, and wait for the train. Our next stop is the Toontown Smokers, not for
To those who just joined us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please, watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're now entering Splash Mountain, where every day is a zippity-doo-dah day. If you look real hard, you'll now just find more laughing place. America and into the American frontier as it looked more than a century ago. This area is so rich with natural beauty and wildlife, you can see why the early settlers were inspired to move west. You're seeing this view just like many of them did, from the homes of a genuine steam-powered train. When these iron horses first started crisscrossing the country in the 1800s, the time it took to get to the west dropped from months to a matter of days. Why, steam power not only fueled trains, but the dreams of whole new generations as they set this great frontier.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are now approaching the 2012. Keep in mind that the Q-Town does close around 8 p.m. tonight in preparation for our fireworks spectacular in West Fabric, which is set to go off at 9:30 p.m. Inside the Q-Town, you can visit all of your favorite characters, including Mickey, Miss Donald, and Goofy inside of the home, as well as experience runs around Sharky Spin and Gadget Go Coasters. This will also be your stop for all Fantasyland, with our beautiful classics such as this Follow Holiday, this Close Wild Ride. We also do have Snow White Convention, the Artist Carousel, Continue Your Signature, and the Matterhorn Falls as well. We also do have and the Magical Map. The next short will be at 5:15 inside the Fantasyland Pier. Once again, that is 5:15 inside the Fantasyland Pier. Once again, folks, please remain cool and seated until we come to a cool and complete stop inside the pier. This is your stop for Sioux Town and Fantasyland. Tonight, so if you do want to catch Mickey's Magical Map right now, this is your best chance that you have these available. Or play SQ inside the train at all times. Here at the Secret Night Sponsor,
there goes the train. Bye-bye.
Our next stop is going to be Tomorrowland Station.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the trains. And please, watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we steam on through Fantasyland, you may want to take one more look down the Matterhorn Mountain and the happiest cruise in ever seen. It's a small world.
The Jiggle Cruiser taking it down.
Folks, ahead of us lies the future. Well, I guess we all know that. What I mean to say is, we're heading into tomorrow, where everything is possible. You look overhead, the magic and glimpse of a monorail. When Disneyland introduced the monorail back in 1959, it was the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere. Winding the lowest is the Autopia, where drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of a car, and no license is required. If you ever want to become an astronaut, then you might want to stop at Space Mountain and Star Tours, where they got some new-fangled flying spaceships that launch you into the deepest reaches of space. And you can ride them if you got the money and the nerve. Well, folks, we're now arriving at the Disneyland station. You'll be leaving here just 8 seconds till we come to our full stop. Gather your belongings and step carefully from the train.
Until the train comes to a complete stop. This is Tomorrowland with also Skyler, like you can find it at the actual factory. Tomorrowland will be don't forget to go to the board. You can visit all your favorite Star Wars characters and Star Wars monsters. You can turn on Star Wars and enjoy Operation You are more than welcome to take these photos as you like, but as a courtesy, please stop off last photography and video library audio cameras and cell phones, as well as flash boards at the front. Next stop.
To those joining us, welcome aboard. The next leg of our journey will take us along the rim of the Grand Canyon. It's a mighty long drop to the canyon floor. So for your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Be sure to watch your kids and no flash pictures, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today, but it wasn't always that way. Right now, as we travel back in time, back to the fantastic primeval world, land of the dinosaurs. belongings, including young and step carefully from the train. I'd especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland. We surely hope you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come back and see us again.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain fully seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop inside the station. On behalf of the front conductor, the engineers, and myself, we'd like to thank you for spending your joining us here on the Disneyland Railroad. We wish you good chance and farewell, as well as everybody have a magical day. You see the last one of you? And major religion. All right, ladies and gentlemen, watch your head, watch your step. Thank you for joining us here.